Why are you not zooming into your page when you're editing to make it easier to see more than one screen at a time? The solution I'm showing you is the page zoomer that I brought out a while ago, and you can use it for free with a code snippet. Now, if you click the link, go and get a copy of the snippet switchboard or even the individual code. I'll give you both links. What you want to do is add them to Code Snippets, plugin, save, and activate. But like I said, if you've got the snippet switchboard, you just need to activate it from the front end. Now, when you've activated that snippet, you'll see this little VH button that you can actually pick up and drag and move around your screen. Now, what is the point of it in the first place? Now, I'm editing and I'm seeing my full screen 100 VH. I now want to work on another section. I scroll down and you keep going on and on and on. But what if you want to get a better understanding if your sections flow or the colors look good or what's the spacing like? When you go and hit this VH, and by the way, I am inside of Edit with Elementor. When I click 300 VH, that is now 3 screens, 500, 5 screens, but I can shrink and grow this as much as I want. And if you want to get back to 100 VH, just click 100. If you want to change the color of your button, you can do as well. So maybe it's like difficult to see on screen because you've already got lots of black. And do you know what is even more impressive about when you're zooming in and out? If I just go and shrink this like this, I can still click and interact and change and edit. I'm not restricted. This isn't like a front end like page zoomer, because I know there are other applications out there. No, I can zoom in and out and go, you know what? The background color of this ain't quite right. So let's just go in. So maybe I decide that this particular container, I don't like the background color and I'm going to go for something completely different. And I can do that without realizing later on or when you're printing a full screen. And that's the other great thing. Maybe you just want to share with a client or someone else. You could, if you want, now shrink it down and then just do a screen capture tool on your Windows or your Mac. Again, super simple and easy. The page zoomer code snippet is available for free. The links are in the video description. Why would you not want to use this to help you see more? Because you might be building something and you go, oh yeah, that looks really good. But it's not until you zoom out. I keep saying zoom in. It's not until you zoom out you get the bigger picture. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. You gotta like, subscribe, share, and follow. You have to sign up for our YouTube channel to support me and also get access to exclusive videos. Take care. See you soon. Bye.